Guys, we're moving into the weekend, and now is of course the time when the whales try to make their move. So today I'm going to talk about what to pay attention to right now for Bitcoin. I'm also going to show you this chart, and this is of course showing us what has been happening previously, and we just hit one specific signal, and every time this has hit previously it has led into some crazy stuff for Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about that and traditional markets as well. So welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. Okay, so let's begin here on the 4-hourly time frame. After having that rejection of my orange box, we went down into my second orange box, acted as support multiple times, went into it, and now we're seeing a significant pump from this level. Now here's the thing, of course, we're moving into the weekend. So just like I said, you are going to see the whales try to do a couple of different things. The first one is that on the weekly time frame, we do have the candle right now being above the 200-week moving average. So what the bears are going to try to do is they are going to try to do everything they can to push down this candle below the 200-week moving average, which is currently here at 22,900. So be prepared for that. And also, and by the way, why they do this during the weekend is because there's less liquidity. They can more easily influence the market. But if we can hold this level, if we can hold above this $22,800 level, which is looking pretty likely right now, but again, be prepared for this move. Let's see if this can hold as support if we do see a downwards move here. So we're watching that. Of course, on the 4-hourly time frame, you do have the support here at 22,500. Also on the daily time frame, this is actually the 2-day time frame. Let's go to the daily. We still have the resistance up here at 25,250. So if you do see a move to the upside, be prepared for this to act as strong resistance. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Bitcoin price moving into the weekend. The traditional markets are still hovering at my support. So you can see we've been hitting this multiple times here. My support here is doing a good job of holding up the traditional market. So we will want this to continue, of course. Now let's get into some long-term charts. Actually, before we do that, make sure to sign up for Bybit and for Phoenix if you want to claim up to $4,530 as a bonus. So use these links in order to claim those. So let's continue. I want to show you this. So what you got here is the Bitcoin price in orange. You got the NASDAQ in white, and then you got the NASDAQ 200-week moving average here in pink or red. And what you can see is that the last 10 years, we've only hit this a couple of times on the NASDAQ. You can see we hit it right here. We hit it here, 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 and right now we've hit it as well. Now look at this in combination with the TSI being here at a very low level and seeing that cross, Bitcoin tends to go into massive runs. So again, this is a long-term chart. Basically everything looking at the long term is pointing towards this being a massive buying opportunity for Bitcoin, and definitely down at the lower levels at like $18,000. Those were very good opportunities to buy Bitcoin according to what we usually see in history. So what you can see here is that Bitcoin tends to go up here. We went up from this point, we went up from this point. Well, history shows us that that is usually what happens. The question is, of course, is history going to do the same thing right now? We've had it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Are we going to have it a 6th time, so to make that a perfect record, or are we going to go down from this point? I think we are going to go up. What do you believe? Let me know down in the comment section. Guys, that's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.